Shemai all, it's been a while, over a year in fact. Bit of a change up to this one. I'm going to concentrate my efforts on one particular bay. I know they've caught bass here. I haven't, surprisingly enough, but I'm going to give it a go, see how long it takes me to land one. This is my second session here. First session was at the start of April and didn't go too well, got blown off it, not in the good way. We're going to fish down to low water now and maybe a little bit in, and we'll see how it goes from there. See how we get on, is it? Right, too weedy, let's go on the surface. Let's go for a surface lure straight away. Let's get rid of this. Rubbish, don't like it anyway. Frosty. Let's try the big patch, get some distance out there. Patch and go. Oh, you fin beauty! Yes!
Look at my size, Molly.
Oh, you're an angry little bit, aren't you?
Oh,
hey! So change your lure, does the trick.
my size that.
Not bad. Let's put that there. Right, let's get him measured. Wowzers. Wow. Nice hit, mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice little hit that was. So he is 53? 54?
Yeah.
55. Right.
43?
Yeah. So that is 54. 53. Come on, boyo. Well, that is that. 54cm bass on a Savage Gear weedless minnow. I made it this year's mission to try and get a fish from you, and succeeded on the second attempt. So we'll keep going the rest of the year. I think I fancy giving it a few more goes. If we get any more success, then I'll bring you along and share it with you along the way. Thank you for watching, as always. Cheers.